All right, this one again, we have different denominators. So the way to work this would be do the cross product. So 7x times 6 is going to be what? Well, that's going to be 42x. 1 times this is going to be equal to 7 minus x. So if we add x, we get 43x is equal to 7. Divide by 43. So x is equal to 7 over 43. Now, again, what we would do is we would multiply on the left and take it all, put it back in, because again, it says check your answer. So we take 7 times 7 over 43, and then that's all over 7 minus 7 over 43. So to get a common denominator, we have to multiply by that by 43 over 43. And on top, where it's just 7 over 1 times 7 over 43, so that's going to be what, 49 over 43. And on the bottom here, we get what? So we're going to have to take, let's multiply out 43 times 7, and then minus 7. So that's going to be 294. Where's my writing thing? 294 over 43. Multiply by the reciprocal. And so that cancels that. And 294 divided by 49 is equal to 6. So this goes in once, this goes in 6. So we get 1 over 6. Well, guess what? That's the answer we wanted. So that means that is the correct answer. Okay, because those all cancel here. And we get our final answer was 1/6. So we only had to check one side of the equation on this one. So that was kind of nice. All right, here. Solve and check your answer. Well, this one, guess what? 9x plus 5, 9x plus 5. So our denominators are the same. So what we can do is we can set our numerators equal. And so what we have is 9x equals a minus 5. Divide by 9. So x equals a minus 5 over 9. Now, what we have to do is we have to check our answer. So we're going to plug it in here. So 9 times a negative 5 over 9 over 9 times negative 5 over 9 plus 5. So we'll do the left side. So the 9's cancel up here, so we get a negative 5. 9's cancel here, so we get 0. Uh-oh, we can't divide by 0, so that doesn't work. Now, guess what? When we plug it in here, it's also going to be 0. So that means that that is not the solution, so there is no solution. Okay, so if you plug it in and you get a 0 in the denominator, that means there's not going to be a solution. So that's going to be what it cannot be. And what we would do is normally we would check and say, okay, well, let's set the denominator equal to 0. And so we'd subtract 5. And so 9x equals a negative 5, divide by 9, divide by 9. So x equals a minus 5 ninths. And so that's what we know x cannot be. So when we come up with our solution that x is equal to that, but we already know x cannot equal that, then we know there's going to be no solution to this type of problem. Okay. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.